इंडिया टुडे मीडिया इंस्टीट्यूट आपको दे रहा है मौका देश के सर्वश्रेष्ठ मीडिया समूह के साथ डिजिटल मीडिया और कम्युनिकेशन में डिप्लोमा करने का।
रजिस्टर करने के लिए www.indiatodayMediaInstitute.in पर विजिट करें।
One is that all lines will not be opened in one go. Initially we will open say line one line, and then gradually we will increase the number of lines. Then in the second way, the hours of operation also will be gradually increased. Initially we will start with less operating hours, and then gradually we will increase to make it normal by 12th. So stage 1 is where the revenue hours are restricted for 7 to 11 hours in the morning and 16 to 20 hours in the evening. This is from the consideration of serving all those coming to office, going from the office. Peak hours, yes, of course, peak hours, and avoid unnecessary travel during daytime. So this will be the stage 1. In this stage, we will again have phasing. Say in phase 1 on 7th September, we are planning to start line number 2. That is from the yellow line from Samipur Badli to Huda City Center. So this line you can see on the screen. On 7th we propose to open this, and again the timings as mentioned earlier will be 7 to 11 and 16 to 20 hours. Along with this also the rapid metro will also be opened on 7th. So on 7th we will start with these two, one major lines and one very small line of rapid metro. Then phase 2 of this we will watch and see for 2 days. 7th, 8th we will have the experience of running this one line, and on 9th then we will introduce 3 more lines, line number 3 and 4, that is blue line from Dwarka to Noida Electronic City, and also that the Vaishali branch, and also line number 7, the pink line, which gives the connectivity on the inner ring. So that way this will be gradually increased to these basically 4 lines and Gurgaon lines on 9th of September. Then the phase 3 of stage 1 on 10th, that is again on the next day, again after watching the actual operation and any thing is required to be changed. On 10th we will introduce line number 1, that is red line, Ghaziabad to Rithala. Line number 5, that is Bahadurgarh line, and also line number 6, that is Faridabad Raja Nahar Singh Balabgarh. So these 3 lines will be added on 10th of September.
But timing will remain.
Timing in all the three stages, all the 3 phases will remain same. So till 10th September we will run only in the morning, that 7 to 11 and 16 to 20 hours. Then on 11th we will start with stage 2, and in stage 2 we will increase the operating hours, that is from in the morning from 7 to 13 hours, 2 hours extra, and again in the evening from 16 to 22 hours, and also introduce 2 more lines, that is line number 8, that magenta line, Botanical Garden to Janakpuri West, and also that small line, Najafgarh line. So that way it completes almost all normal metro network on 11th, and the timing as I mentioned will be increased. Then stage 3 will be on 12th September, and on 12th September we will introduce the airport line also on this, and also we will increase the operating hours to the normal operating hours, that is from 6 to 11 p.m. So this way this will be the graded operation program, However, as mentioned by the Honorable Minister, we will keep a close watch, and if any correction is required, we will take those corrective action. Now, apart from this, though the general guidelines has been issued, there are certain things which are specific to Delhi Metro, because we are the biggest network and have to handle large number of passengers, and number of trains, and number of lines. So what we have contemplated that in the beginning, in order to control the number of passengers, all the gates of the stations will not be opened. So we will open only selected gates at the station. Some stations will open only one gate, some may be two gates. The detailed list of that we have prepared, and we will share with you separately, and also publish it well in advance, so that the people, the passengers, they are aware that at a particular station which gate will remain open for the entry. So this we will do, and then in order to ensure the social distancing, what we will have the separate exit gate. So the station, at a station we will have, say, one entry gate and one exit gate, maybe two entry gate or one exit gate. So we will have station wise. These details will be very in detail, will be shared with you and also published. Then another thing which is very important is the use of tokens. Use of tokens are very risky, and it can cause certainly spread of virus. So it has been decided that initially, to start with, we will do with the journey will be allowed only with the smart card, and also all the transaction will be cashless. Even the top up of smart card will be through cashless methods only, either internet banking or smart card and all that. So this is another thing. Third, what we have also decided that at the stations, the dwell time of the train will be increased, so that the passenger entering and coming out, they should not cause crowding, and social distancing can be maintained. So on this account, we will have some effect on the frequency, the overall frequency of the train. So as mentioned by the Secretary, that initially we may run at frequency or the interval of 5 minutes, depending on the actual time taken. So these are basically the salient points. We have also prepared the detailed do's and do nots for the passengers. This we will display prominently at all the stations. We will announce also in the trains and at the stations. Similarly, all the other guidelines also will be published, will be displayed at the stations, or also will be announced.